friends, today we will make chocolate banana cake. This is an eggless cake with whole wheat. Take 2 large size bananas and using a potato masher, mash them. Add brown sugar and mix until sugar dissolves. Add vanilla essence and oil. Mix them well. Using a sifter, sieve flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. With the help of a spatula, mix the ingredients. Add milk in between and make a smooth batter. Divide the batter into 2 equal portions. Add cinnamon to 1 portion and mix it. Add cocoa powder to the other portion and mix it. Now, take a baking tin lined with parchment paper. Pour the batter in layers into the tin. Bake the batter in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the cake out from oven, demold it and let it cool down. Our chocolate banana cake is ready to serve. If you like my recipes, leave a comment and share your